The application ETEX allows you to send and receive text using the connection gateway 4G Next in a computer. After you have done the download and the installation of the software ETEX, take the gateway 4G Next. Move the cover . Connect the antenna . Insert the SIM card. Connect the serial port DB9 to the computer. If the port is not available, it is possible to use a serial USB adapter. Power the gateway. The red LED will start flashing. At this stage, the gateway will do the registration at the mobile network. When the registration is complete, the LED will change the rate of flashing from constant to a slow flash. Now it will start flashing the green LED, indicating the range of the intensity of the mobile network. At this point, we can check on the computer which COM port has been assigned to the USB adapter, serial or device. Start ETEX application. From the main window, choose Option and then Setting. In this window, select the specific port from USB or serial adapter. Enable the device. Keep the other setting in default. Once finished with all the settings, press OK. If everything has been done correctly, in the box Device Status in Dev 1, you will visualize the state of idle in green and the intensity of the mobile network through an horizontal bar. To visualize the text in reception, for example, low battery or no network, click on the window Received. On this window, you can visualize all the text received and the information about telephone number, message text, date and time. The 4G Next is not equipped with an internal buffer for a correct operation. The computer has to be always on and the ETEX always active. With the 4G Next off, it's still possible to receive notification, but it will depend on the mobile network and the data. Thank you for your attention and kind regard. For further information, contact our technical assistants.